Hello everyone, nice to see you again. Today I will to show you how to making the green pancake roll. In here we call Dadar Gulung. Okay, let me start. The ingredient for green pancake roll. In here we call Dadar Gulung. In here I have 200 gram plain flour, and then 2 tablespoons of the tapioca flour, and 600 ml coconut milk, and then 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 egg, but I only use the yolk egg. If you don't like egg, it's fine, you not use the egg, not necessarily. And then this the pendant paste I use for the aroma, also in the color, the green. And then this baking powder, about 1 teaspoon, and then half teaspoon salt. And then this ingredient for the filling of the green pancake roll or dadar gulung. In here I have 500 ml water and 50 gram palm sugar, and then 50 gram sugar, and then 250 grated coconut, and then this pandan leaf. Now I'm start cooking the filling first, and then this I put the 500 ml water, and then I add pandan leaf, and then sugar. How we boil is with the low heat until the sugar already melting, and then later we add the coconut shredded. And then the sugar already melting, and then I add the shredded coconut, and then we simmer until the water reducing and then dry. You can see the water from the filling already reduced. And then this we keep stirring until dry. Already done. This is the filling for the green pancake roll or dadar gulung. You can see dry already. Now we start to prepare the dough of pancake, and then this the plain flour I put in here. And tapioca flour, and then salt and baking powder, and then we mix. And then I add the yolk egg, and then we mix. And I add the coconut milk, little bit, and then we mix. And then we add again. And then I put the pandan leaf or green color pandan paste, and then I put the melting butter. and then we leave for 10 minutes. Okay, now we start to print the green pancake, and then this the fry pan. I'm not put the oil because in the dough I already put the butter. Put here. I think the pancake already, and then I flip over. Side it. Ta-da! The green pancake roll already finished. Thank you very much for watching. If you like my channel, please share, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you on next one. Bye bye. Thank you very much.